What is going on, team? Back at you again with another video. Today we've gone for a little bushwalk in the middle of a thunderstorm. We've got Tyler, my brother, here with us. We're both trainers at the gym, and today we thought we'd keep it a little bit more entertaining. Come at you with a little bushwalk, shake it up from just the old home workouts. They get a bit monotonous. Oi, bro! I got the quarry! Team, we found it. We've been looking for this. Is that literally it?
The houses are up here somewhere. There's a city somewhere, like a little.
There's a little city somewhere, team. We're out in Farley.
It's on the other. You got to go up on top of it.
And we're looking for an old quarry. There's a little village in here somewhere. That is an old jetty. We're going to get to the top of this quarry right here.
We could swim.
And find the village, hopefully. There's fucking rams, boys. We're gonna get rammed, boys.
No, they're going, they're running. They're pushing it.
Goats are off.
They got collars. Them motherfuckers are pets. For GoPros.
Team, we just got smashed by a quick little storm. We're pushing through, to be honest. Them goats kind of scared the shit out of me. We're coming back with them. We're coming back forward.
Well, look at them.
Are the goats? Oh, no way! Let's go! Alrighty, team. There's some lightning. There's some thunder. We're pushing forward, team. I tell you what. Fin the little pussies on your goddamn iPads. We're pushing through this nature walk, that's for sure. Oh, it's quite heavy, eh? How you liking this, Tyler? Enjoy. This is soul therapy 101. That's what I'm saying, you know. The water's feeling good on the back right now. I hope this goddamn GoPro's waterproof, but I'm pretty sure it is. We're finna find out real quick, I think. Woo! We're hitting a little trot now, team. We are finna find this quarry town.
I mean, you'd think it's on the road, wouldn't you?
You'd think it's somewhere on the road.
That's another road.
I think this is better set for another day.
You ready to get out of here?
Yeah.
Ready to bail?
Yeah, I think so, eh?
I reckon we need to come back when it's not.
Yeah, we can actually put a bit more effort into exploring it.
Alright, it was pretty fun, though.
Yeah. This thunderstorm has put a halt to our adventure walk. We are completely drenched from head to toe. Change of plan. Bush ranger, he's running forward. I don't know where he's going. Guess I'll find him. Let's get it.
I reckon next time we come, it's through there. I reckon it's straight through.
Yeah. Yeah, I reckon you're right, but I think this is...
Do you want to go to the end of this corner just here?
Yeah, let's go to the end of this corner and see what we can find. I mean, you can't get wetter than soaked, right? We're off, team. Woo! This is goddamn beautiful.
More quarry?
More quarry downtown, team.
More quarry downtown.
Alrighty, moving forward. Tim, if you're telling me you're gonna find some excuses not to train, we're goddamn out here doing sprints in the middle of the goddamn pouring down rain. Don't tell me you ain't got time for this. You find some time, that's for sure. Oh!
We call it for today. We call it.
That is deep down there, team. But I tell you what, we're finna call it quits today. We need to get home and get warm. But this is amazing out here, team. Nature.
I'm gonna take a little souvenir.
Is a beautiful thing. Nature is a beautiful thing. Tyler's got a souvenir. What you got there, Tyler?
A little wild sucker.
A little wild succulent. I'll tell you what, we're gonna walk out of here with a souvenir. A succulent souvenir. We're making our way back to the car. The rain's kind of died down a little bit. It's still pumping us, but it's not as heavy. The storm's still right over us. We can hear that thunder real loud, but we're not really in any danger, so we're just chilling, walking back to the car. This young fella's in his element. Team. Oh, whoa, hold on a second. We may have just found what we're looking for right here. I think this is some of the old Quarry townhouses that we've been out here trying to find.
That's Jordan.
Oh, team, this is it.
Oh, that was a lighter.
Team, this is it. This is what we've been searching for. Oh my lord.
They store shit.
This is insane.
It's like on their property.
Nah, this is... There's the old windmill. Well, here it is, team. This is what we've been searching for. Absolutely beautiful. This is...
Is that the outhouse?
I think what we've seen here from our childhood. We used to live out here, that's why we're coming out here. This is the old outhouse. It looks like someone's storing it as like using it as a storage shed. There's a barbecue there. Is it the old outhouse?
This isn't. This isn't.
No, this is not. Unless that, but they've put. I don't know if that.
No, that outhouse wasn't that big. It was on a hill. The outhouse was on the edge of the hill. I think this is a different part of it.
This might be a different part that we're used to, team. This might be a part we have not yet explored, which is amazing. It's a very old cart. Like, yeah, look at that. That stuff is ancient. That is not a wood old mallet. Oh, team. Look at that. That is Thor's hammer right there. From downtown. Old buildings. Wow. We're going to dig up some information about this, just how old this stuff is out here. Find out a little more. It's an old saw. Look at that. No way. Team, up here. We might have found the outhouse that we've been looking for. Tyler's excited. He said something. He said he's found something, so let's come and find it. Oh, it is, team. Unbelievable. Open her up, and it is now storage for someone.
What's this, the outhouse? Yeah, they've actually made an outhouse.
They've actually made a modern outhouse out of it. Whoever has access to this property now. Cool. There you go. We didn't think we'd find this. We thought we'd have to come back another day when it wasn't downpour, but we're here now. We're already wet, so no reason to turn around. The rain's actually getting a bit less intense, so we're fine. This is amazing, team. Don't you just love getting out in nature, exploring it? It'd be nicer without the rain, but hey, beggars can't be choosers, team. That's what I'm talking about. Be thankful we found it. We'll be careful coming in here. She seems sturdy. Gave her the old stomp. As you can see, no roof. It's that old. Everything's just decayed over the years. This is quite thick and dense right now. I'm coming.
Careful with the jog and nails.
Yeah, we better careful for nails. Absolutely. Oh.
Hey, how you doing, team? There's like a fireplace in there. This is like an old house.
This must be an old cottage, yeah.
So many people come and carve their names and shit in there.
Wow. Is that an old key? Ah, no, it's a screw.
It's all old shit like that.
Oh, when it's one-handed, it's difficult with the GoPro.
Rubble, eh? John, Jeff.
Little fireplace. A lot of sketch names in here over the years. Jason, shout out to Jason.
Shout out to Jason.
No wonder.
How long ago was it when someone...
There's a lot of bush up there.
Just a lot more thing. Do you reckon we used to come into here something from?
I would not have a clue, eh? Like what way we approached it from.
Come houses then Quarry, I reckon.
Yeah.
So that's just exactly technically.
Yeah, I think we've explored enough for today. I think we get back to it. Get some shit. Oh, nice! I got a fire pumping.
That was a yeet.
Little yeet skeet adventure, absolutely, team.
Ruined.
Absolutely ruined.
XOXO. Like that's like a rusty bit
There's
of metal.
some very old graves right here.
I'd say they tried not to excavate them and they've tried to keep the grave there, but they've excavated level with them to preserve the back of it. I'd say that they're two possibly fucking
People.
people.
Rest in peace, Mavis. Rest in peace, Lysandra. That's for sure. Team, I'm back in the comfort of my home after that nice little adventure out in the storm. If you like that, team, please comment, subscribe, let us know your thoughts on that video. See if you want to see some more content like that. I sure did have a blast filming it, so I hope you enjoyed watching that. And if you did enjoy it, yeah, let me know. Comment below, see what's going on. Have a great day, and team, keep active, alright? Let's get it. Beautiful work.